because we do hair loss solutions and we also do non-surgical hair restoration, when it comes to wearing alternative hair, to me, every strand counts. So when you come in for your consultation and you want to wear alternative hair and you decide you don't want to grow it back, or you decide you do want to grow it back, I still want to preserve all the hair that you have, right? So the options that we choose are pretty much based off of that, right? Sometimes you come in for a non-surgical hair replacement consultation, we'll see that your follicles cannot be restored, and in that case, then it's okay for you to remove your hair. But if I see that it is possible, then we're going to try to find a way around that. So two of our most popular forms of extended wear attachments are the Volume Plus and the long hair bonding. And I want to show you the difference between the two. Okay, one option that we do the Volume Plus. It consists of more of a fishnet base and your hair, and there is a crystal polymer that goes around here that we do attach to your hair, and then we get a tool to loop this crystal polymer all around the top of your head. This is a voluminous type of style. They do have some pieces that have a scalp like appearance on the top, but in general I recommend this type of style for somebody who is looking for volume. To me, it's for short to mid-length styles. That's perfect for the Volume Plus. Here is an example. Okay, for example, now you don't have to have a lot of hair in the front. They do have some with a lace front. You don't have to have a lot of hair in the front, but the piece can sit very, very close to the hairline. Also, when you bend it over, this is the more of the look on the top with the Volume Plus. Most of them have scalp. Most of them that you see online don't have a scalp, but you can have the kind with the scalp on top. But in general, this is perfect for somebody who is seeking a voluminous style, like I said. So imagine like a shorter hairstyle and you want volume in the top. This is perfect for that type of service. Now this is the long hair bonding mannequin that I show people all the time. Now of course this is just an 8-inch piece. They can be as long as 22 inches. And the way this works, lay your hair down. We use a special technique to lay your hair down and a special adhesive to attach your unit to the top without removing your hair. It has different colors, but to me this one offers a more of a scalp-like appearance naturally. There are different types, of course, but this is the average that people get. It has more of a scalp-like appearance all over. You can swim, shower, and again lasts the same amount of time, 4 to 6 weeks before you need maintenance. And the transition between the unit and your hair is very, very seamless. Very, very seamless. It's a really, really natural look. It is actually the most popular service that we do now. So this is one form of an extended wear attachment that we offer.